Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 6 maths exercise 3.3 question number 2. In the previous question number 1, I had solved some of the questions like the sum of the numbers were divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 or 11 or not. I hope all of you have solved. If you are having doubt related to the previous video, then please drop your doubt into the comment box so I can solve each and every question. If you are not having doubt, then I am moving towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is also similar like that only. By using the divisibility test, determine which of the following are divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Here same question is there, but in that we are having the divisibility of all the numbers, but here we are having only 4 and 8. Using divisibility tests. Using divisibility tests. Using divisibility tests. This is your question. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. Determine which of the following numbers are determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. This is our question. In this question, the question wants to say that which of the numbers are divisible by 4 and which of the numbers are divisible by 8. Some of the numbers are given here and you have to just determine that which of the numbers are divisible by 4 and which of the numbers are divisible by 8. First number is 572. Second number is 726352. 726352. Third number is 5500. Fourth number is 6000. There are total till J. Okay. So I am solving this 4 question. According to this 4 question, you have to understand and you have to solve the question now by yourself. So I hope that you all can solve also. There is no little bit doubt also in this. But you have to understand the concept of divisibility by 4 and divisibility by 8. Can you tell me what are the rules of divisibility by 4 and divisibility by 8? As in the previous video I had explained you about the divisibility of 4 and divisibility of 8. Can anyone tell me what is the divisibility of 4 and divisibility of 8? I am telling you what is the divisibility of 4. Divisibility of 4 means a number with the 3 or more digits is divisible by 4. The number with 3 digits, all the 3 digits must be divisible by 4. How? 4 ones are 4, 17, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. Yes, it is divisible by 4. And what's about the divisibility by 8? Can you tell me? What is the divisibility by 8? Here also the same thing. A number with 4 or more digit is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digit is divisible. Means at least you have to say the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Then only that number should be divisible by 8. So here after making this table, you can draw like this. Okay. And after that you have to put here divisible by 4, divisible by 4, and here divisible by 8, divisible by 8. Got it? So this 3 digit is divisible by 4? Yes, this is divisible by 4. How you can say that this number is divisible by 4? As I have informed you, the last 3 digit must be divisible by 4. Otherwise, you can say the last 2 digit, it must be a multiple or divisible by 4. Then you can say last 2 digit is 72. 18 4s are 72. So this number is divisible by 4. Now what about the 8? Last 3 digit, you have to see the last 3 digit is 572 and 572 is not divisible by 8. So given number is not divisible by 8. How? You can see 8 7s are 56, and 12, 8 1 ja 8, 4 will be remainder, right? So if 4 will be remainder, then this number is not divisible. As the rule of the divisibility by 8 is, if the last 3 digit is not divisible by 8, then that number is not divisible by 8. Got it? So first our completed, this last 2 digit or last 3 digit must be divisible by 4, and this last 3 digit must be divisible by 4. So here this number is divisible by 4, but this number is not divisible by 4. Sorry, divisible by 8. Now we are talking about this number. So just you can see, is 52 divisible by 4? Yes. You can check the last 2 digit or last 3 digit both are divisible by 4. 4 8 ja 32 and 4 8 ja 32. So last 3 digit is also divisible by 4, and last 2 digit 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 13, 4 ja 52. So yes, this number is divisible by 4. What's about the 8? Last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. 8 4 ja 32 and 8 4 ja 32. So yes, this number is divisible by 8 also. So as we have seen that which of the numbers are divisible by 4 and which of the numbers are divisible by 8. According to using the property, what we have to see? We have to just see in the 4 the last 2 digit must be divisible by 4, and for 8 last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. Now tell me about this last 3 digit. Is this number divisible by 4? Yes, why not? 4 1s are 4, 10, 4 2s are 8, and 4 5s are 20. So yes, this number is divisible by 4. What's about the 8? 8 6 are 48 and 20. So 8 2 are 16. It's not divisible. 4 will be the remainder. So this number is not divisible by 8. Now this one 6000. Can you tell me? See, if you are saying the last 2 digit is 0, then remember that number is divisible by 4. If any of the number which is having last 2 digit 0, then remember that number is divisible by 4. But what about the 8? If the last 3 digit is not divisible by 8, then remember that number is not divisible by 8. So now question is, about these 2 digits are 0, so definitely it will be divisible by 4. What's about this 8? 8 8 is 64, 8 7 is 56, 8 5 is 40. So yes, this is also divisible by 8. So I have just solved 4 questions. If you can solve all that rest question, then it's very good. But if you don't know that how to solve, then definitely I'll help you that how to solve. In the first question, I hope all of you have solved the rest questions. Now let me solve this all the questions so you can understand. Till D all of you have written. Now we will move towards E, F, G, H, I, J. E, F, G, H, I, J. So can you solve that this number is divisible by 4 or not? This number is divisible by 8 or not? In this only we have to solve that this number is divisible by 4 or not, or this number is divisible by 8 or not. So now I am moving towards E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. Now I have to just check that these numbers are divisible or not. Okay? So let me check first of all, write the questions, and after that I have to check that these numbers are divisible or not divisible. So now I am moving towards the question number E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. How many questions are there? Till J is there. So no problem. After H, I, and then J. Okay? So total all the second questions this time we are going to solve. Our E question is 12159. 12159. Next is 14560. 14560. Right? G1 is 21084. 21084. H1 is 3179. 50. 31795072. So 8 digit number is this, okay? And 1700 2150. So these are our questions. Now you have to solve these questions, that these numbers are divisible by 4 or not, and these numbers are divisible by 8 or not. So as I have taught you, for the 4 you have to just remember the last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. I don't think so 59 is divisible by 4. Or if you want to check the last 3 digits also, 4 3s are 12 and 39. 39 is not coming. 4 9s are 36. 3 will be remainder. So this number is not divisible by 4. Now what's about the 8? The last 3 digits must be divisible. 8 1 is 8, 79. 8 9 is 72. 7 will be the remainder. So this number is not divisible by 8 also. So we have seen that how you can say the number is divisible. Last 2 digits, 15 4 is 60. So definitely this number is divisible by 4. But what about the 8? 5 60. 8 6 is 48. 8 7 is 56. Yes? So here you can say this number is divisible by 8. Why? 8 7 is 56. 78 is 560. Got it? So this number is divisible by 8 also. Now 21084, can you tell me? 84. Is it coming in 4 table? Yes. 21 4s are 84. 21 4s are 84. So definitely this number is divisible by 4. But what about this 8 table? 084 is there. So 84 is not coming in 8 table because 8 10s are 80 and 11 8s are 88. So you can't tell that 084 is divisible by 8. So as you can see here, 21084. So 21 4s are, it is divisible, yes, and 084 no. If you want to check, then see 8 6 8 2 is 16, 15, 8 6 is 8 2 is 16, 550, 8 6 is 48, 228, 8 3 is 24, 44, 8 5 is 40. So this number is not divisible. You have to just check the divisibility rule. The last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. Last 3 digit is not divisible by 8, so this number is not divisible by 8. Now what's about this? 18 4 is 72. So yes, it is divisible by 4. But what about 8 table? 8 9 is 72. So this number will be divisible by 8 or not? 31795072. Yes, because last 3 digits 072. Yes, it is divisible. Or you can check the last 4 digit also. 8 6 is 48, 27. Okay. 27 means now 8 3 is 24, 32, 8 4 is 32. So yes, this number is divisible by 8. Now what's about the 1700? Last 2 digit is 0. So definitely this number is going to be divisible by 4. But what's about the 8? Last 4 digit or last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. So is the 1700 divisible by 8? What you will see? 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 10. So I don't think that this number will be divisible by 8 2 is 16, 10, 8 1 is 8, 20, 8 2 is 16, 4 will be the remainder. So this number is not divisible by 8. The last one, 2150. The last 2 digit 50. Is 50 divisible by 4? No. Why? Because 12 4s are 48. 2 will be the remainder. So this number is not divisible by 4. What's about the 8? 3 digits or 4 digits. 8 1 is 8, 7 it is not divisible. Why? You can see here 8 2 is 16, 55, 8 6 is 48, 70, 8 8 is 64. 6 will be the remainder. So this number is not divisible by 8 also. So as you have seen that how to understand the divisibility of 4 and divisibility of 8. I hope all of you have understand this video. If you are having doubt related this video or the previous video, don't forget to comment. So please drop your doubt into the comment box section. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you have liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends so they can be also benefited. Thank you very much.